welcome to my messy workshop. As you may have noticed, the whole world is completely stuck at home for obvious reasons. So I thought to share with you a little project that I had in mind. And it basically is making a little knife. I needed a new shop knife, you know, that kind of knife that you grab when you have to open boxes, cut stuff, and you really don't mind if it breaks or if it gets damaged. But I want to make a little prettier version than the one I have. That looks like this. This one I made 5 years ago, and I really like the shape, I really like the length, the dimensions, but I wanted to make a little prettier. So I thought to make this video and share that it is completely possible to make a knife like this little knife, with no power tools at all. All you need is just a file, few other hand-operated tools, and some time, a little bit of patience. And so let's get to it and let's have fun. So our blade is outlined, and I'm starting to hammer the surface so that it has this really nice Brute de Forge texture. This is really not necessary. This is just purely aesthetics, and if you want to keep it polished, it's totally fine. The metal is exposed, we can heat the blade to about 200 Celsius, and we can do this by putting this blade into the oven for about 1 hour, or we can achieve this goal with this flame, but we need to be very careful. Way to check if the whole process has gone fine, and it's a really simple testing. If it doesn't break, it's fine. We finally did it, and as you can see, everything fits perfectly. I put some notches in, if it's focused, I put some notches on the tang, so that when I put the epoxy into the hole, it will grab onto the tang and will keep everything tight and secure. You can put also a pin that goes through the handle and the tang, so that it will keep everything even more tight and secure. So this is the final result, and I'm really happy about it, especially with the wood grain, because juniper wood looks amazing. Now the final step is just the sharpening, and for this task I'll use an opinel stone. This is a really fine one, it's a natural one, but really you can use wherever you like. Everybody has its own sharpening secrets and preference. So I use this one, and I just give a few passes. And for the final sharpening, I'll use this strobe. It's made with an old belt, and you can make it on your own quite simply. And few passes on this, and the blade is completely ready. If you like this video, please press the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and take a look also to my social medias. I have Instagram and Facebook accounts, and also an Etsy shop where you can buy my stuff. So, thanks for watching, see you next time.